Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Biogaia Probiotic Drops. Biogaia Protectis drops are a simple way to introduce beneficial bacteria into your daily routine. Each dose of 5 drops delivers 100 million active Lactobacillus reuteri, DSM 17938. Remember to shake the bottle thoroughly for about 10 seconds before each use to ensure the bacteria are evenly distributed. You can give the drops with a spoon or mix them into food or drink. Administering Biogaia drops is quite straightforward for all ages, from infants to adults. It's important to avoid adding the drops to anything hot, as high temperatures can reduce the effectiveness of the live bacteria. For infants, if you are breastfeeding, do not mix the drops directly into breast milk from the breast. Instead, give them separately. Always store the bottle upright with the cap securely closed to maintain product quality. Proper storage is key to maintaining the efficacy of your Biogaia drops. Keep them in a cool, dry place, ideally below 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and never freeze them, as extreme cold can harm the beneficial bacteria. After opening, the drops remain effective for up to 3 months. Always remember to check the expiration date on the package to ensure you are using a fresh and potent product. Before introducing any new supplement, including Biogaia drops, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for infants or individuals with underlying health conditions. These drops are generally well tolerated, with very few reported side effects. However, if you notice any adverse reactions, please stop use and seek medical advice. Remember, this product is a dietary supplement and not a substitute for medical treatment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.